Hi, it's Megan from American Sail. We're going to make a treetop bow or a garland bow or a mantle bow today. You need some supplies. You need 2 spools of ribbon to get this nice depth. So we pick out a solid ribbon and sometimes a sheer. They are 10 yards each. We also have wire. You want to cut your wire to around 18 inches, a pair of scissors, and we're going to start. Okay, to start, you want to decide how long your tail is going to be. I do like long tails, so we're going to do about 18 inches. So you're going to take the ribbon and fold it. You're going to make your first loop. I would say that's about 5 inches, and you're going to start cinching it. You want to make sure that you pick a ribbon that has a wire in it, and American Sail will have all of that selected already, so feel free to choose any ribbon. Next, you're just going to match that loop on the other side. So about 5 inches, everything's going to cinch together again. Then twist so that the outside of the ribbon that's decorated is showing. Then you're going to bring it back the 5 inches and cinch again, holding it tight in your fingers, very, very tight. Then once again, another 4 or 5 inches, and this doesn't have to be perfect. Once you're done making the bow, you're going to manipulate the ribbon, so not each piece. If one piece is 4 and one piece is 5, no big deal. Just keep going back and forth. We are gonna do 4 loops per side. We're almost there. One more, and then you're holding it tight still. Pick out your next tail and cut that so it's out of your way. You can clean that cut up a little bit later. If you're still holding it quite tight, you take your ribbon. I want you to go around twice. 1 loop around, go a second time around, pulling very tight. That second time is holding all those loops together. Then twist tie the back. Very nice. All right. See, not every one of my loops is perfectly the same size, but we're just going to fluff them out a bit. And that's your first bow. We made exactly another one out of the other ribbon. And you're just going to stack those on each other and pull again very, very tight towards each other, the 2 ribbons, and again, twist tie on the back. Nice and tight, as tight as you can, twisting around. All right, now we have all of our ties nice and long so it can go around a banister. Plenty of room on the top of the tree. You want those to be nice and long. And then you just want this pop of color, the green, to kind of poke through all of the sheer. So you get some nice color, mention. And then what I like to do is kind of curl the tails a little bit. Since you have that wire in there, you just have to curl them a little bit and they'll hold. And then they'll kind of drape down the tree or the garland or the middle of your wreath very beautifully. So we were able to get 2 large bows plus a little extra out of the 2 spools of ribbon that we got. If you choose to make your loops 3 inches or 4 inches, you can definitely get more bows. Yay! Thank you so much.